On tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, we didn't actually go back into our notebook just yet. We're just taking some notes on everything we're going to go over, just like we did last night. And it's going over some steps and what to expect. So we're going to do some light reading and leave it at that for tonight. So let me find what we can pick up at. So yeah, the reason we will be using LangChain is because there are limitations with the OpenAI API. Here are a few drawbacks. OpenAI models is not free. A lot of OpenAI models are not trained up to the present day's data, which means it has limited knowledge. Now, these are two of the main reasons why we will be using LangChain. We can access different LLM models by using different APIs. We can access private data resources. We can access any third-party API. These are just some of the use cases of a LangChain. Now, here are a few of the features of LangChain. Has chains. We will discuss chains in a few. It can read documents using a document loader. It has an agent which can access any third-party API. It can access any sort of LLM, whether it's an Open API, or other API. It can retain deep memory. It can create different prompt templates. So this LangChain can do multiple things and perform multiple tasks. Now we will start with the practical implementation. Now we can start with the practical implementation of prompt templates. We will import them like this from langchain.prompts import prompt template. Here's how we write a template. You see here we have a prompt template. Well, prompt underscore template underscore name equals prompt template. Then we have our two parameters, input variables, template. And then we have city. And then we have, can you tell me the name of the city? Now these are the steps we took to create that. First, we created an object of the prompt class. Then we assigned it to the variable prompt underscore template underscore name. Now inside of the object, we will pass some parameters. The first parameter we pass is the input variables. And the second parameter we are going to pass is the template, which is how we configure our prompt. Next, our input variable parameter will get a pass, or will get past a name, which is city. Let me change that because it's not the curly brackets, it's the regular brackets here. Let me change that really quickly. So this is the okay, that's fixed there. Next, our template will get past the request we want, which works as a prompt. Can you tell me the name? Can you tell me the capital of city? Now we can call our method with a dot format and add the city we want named and run it. The template will look like this. Prompt underscore template underscore name dot format city equals New York. And that should bring back the information we want. Like I said, we didn't actually get to the Hugging Face yet and all that. We're going to get to that later after we go over the basics and everything so we can understand what we're going to be doing and the tools we're going to be using. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.